Hi, welcome to the channel. Back on working on the 180SX again, just outside Marc's unit, Huxley Motorsport. So thanks for watching. So today we're going to be removing the front suspension, steering arms, hubs, coilovers, tension rods, to do all the lock mods and cut the hubs. We'll have to change the control arms and tension rods for kinked ones and do all the strengthening that's required on the front. I'd like to go destroy front knuckles eventually, and maybe even subframe, but money doesn't allow it at the moment, so we'll just go with Marc's Huxley Motorsports modifications, which is what I'm used to anyway. So yeah, so here's a time-lapse video on me removing it all. So today I'm going to take out the cage. Unfortunately, the cage was okay, sufficient enough for BDC back in the day, 2016 I think, Paul Smith, 2017 maybe, no 2006, sorry, 2007. So back in the day the cage was okay for that period of time. And to be fair, it's quite good, but it just hadn't been welded around the top. So obviously my brother being the fabricator, Huxley Motorsport, he's not happy with the safety side of it. So we're going to cut it out today. So today's video is me cutting out the cage. Okay, getting somewhere now, as you can see. Managed to get the front out, the bars here. They were welded there, look, you can see where I've cut it. Here's proven to be a bit of a problem. Another weld down there, where it's just been welded to the shell. Obviously I don't want to damage the shell. I cut it here and took the crossbars out, and obviously that bit over there. Same with this side. So yeah, we're getting there. This is obviously all loose, but I've run out of blades, so that's the problem now. Okay, so this job eating up my blades. So I'm just on my way now to go and get some more, and then we'll continue. Just got to take the back bit out now. Obviously cutting through the welds is quite difficult. Seems to be obviously harder than the tube, which it would be. So yeah, hopefully get it done today.